Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki KLR650 Dual Sport. We haven't had one of these in a while, and this one is very special. Only 77 miles. Just acquired from the first owner, perfect condition. 77 miles. Come on by, make your dual sport dreams come true with this beautiful metallic red and black Kawasaki Dual Sport 650 single cylinder. Price to sell just $65.99. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.